So I just got back from the market, trying to get the things I'll be needing. This is mint leaf for my water, and maybe some smoothies. This is some carrots, this is cabbage. I know I bought this cabbage for 800 naira. Lemon, some ginger, some lemons. Lemons were so small, they look like lime, but they're actually lemons. I got garlic. I have garlic at home, but I just wanted fresh one for my marinade. Now you see these bell peppers, this red and yellow. They're so expensive now, I don't know why. This 4 was 2.5, while the green bell pepper was I think 500 naira for the 3. And this is beetroots. I had I think 400 naira change with the guy. Told him to give me beetroots. Was complaining that these are so expensive, but I still got it. This is the first batch. Hold on. So this is the second batch of my market haul for my weight loss journey. So I got this cucumber for 1,000 naira, but they're actually very good. So I won't be able to finish one at once. Just use the half. This was a bunch of banana, but my children, before I could even make this video, they have started eating it. I mean, started pinching from it. This is what I have left. I don't need much though. This is plantain. Plantain is not in my recipe or what I want to eat, but I may create something with it. I just got it. And this is vegetables. This is meat, and this is scent leaf, aka changu. If you're still in the now, because I don't want it to mix up with it. I have a recipe that asks for orange. I just got this ones because I'm going to have them tomorrow. Half of this carrot is actually for snacking. This is the apple. I got 4 apples. Apple is so expensive right now in Nigeria. I mean, not, I won't say Nigeria, in Abuja where I am currently. Apples, these 4 apples were 1,500 naira. And they are so small, and because I speak Hausa very well, I was able to even speak Hausa for them to give it to me for 1.5. If not, the guy wouldn't. Here I have watermelon. I already put it in the fridge, but yeah, this watermelon is also for snacking. I'm supposed to take like 20 grams of fruits every day and 20 grams of vegetables every day. So this is my vegetable watermelon in my fridge. And lastly, not lastly, I got some tomato and tatashe, that's Nigerian bell pepper. I'm going to blend it into some stew base for my cooking. Last but not least, I have goat meat for my goat pepper soup. I'm going to try and trim out as much fat as possible. I have beef here for, I'm supposed to do some minced beef and cabbage kind of stuff. And then here, I was supposed to actually get tilapia. But tilapia was so pricey. I decided to go for cake instead with pipefish, and I'm supposed to grill it. I have gone ahead to cut it in the sizes that I'm going to be having. And that's all with my market haul. So I just had to show you the sauce I made with some of this sauce. Don't worry, I'll tell you about it. Alright guys, so that's it with my market haul. I know I look harassed. So every day I'm going to be posting what I'm eating, the work I'm doing, the days I work out. I'll show you the kind of workout I'm doing, the foods I'm eating. I'm going to be sharing the recipes with you, so you cannot afford to miss out on this. Follow me on this journey, encourage me, ginger me, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.